am going to tell you about Aglaonema plant, and it is also called Chinese evergreen plant. It is a herbaceous perennial plant and it is a native of Philippines, but now you can find this plant everywhere. This plant is quite in trend nowadays and you can find lot of Aglaonema plant in the nursery. People keep this plant in their house and office as ornamental plant. It is an excellent plant for low light indoor locations. It can also be used outside as a filter plant. As you can see, Aglaonema plant in two different color. One is the green one and another you can see the pink one. Now I am going to tell you how to take care of this plant. This plant should not be kept in direct sunlight as their leaves will burn. It requires a temperature between 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius and humidity should be 30 to 50%. They are slow growing plants. It grows well in spring season and does not grow well in dry areas and even in winter season. It does not require a lot of water as it is not kept in direct sunlight. Root rot can occur if we overwater it. If you want to check whether the plant need watering or not, what you have to do, you have to take the soil 1 to 2 inches, and if it does not stick to your hand, you can water it. You have to keep this plant at a distance from one another so that it can get proper sunlight and air for the growth. You can see the new leaves which are coming and they are folded like this. And this is the healthy leaves. To control them from the pest, you have to use neem oil. Take the neem oil, put it in the water, dilute it and just spray it on the leaves. You can spray twice a day, in the morning and in the evening. Now I am going to tell you what type of soil is required for Aglaonema plant to grow. For a good growing, it requires 1 part of the river sand, 1 part of the garden soil, 1 part of the cocoa peat and 1 part of the compost. You can take the vermicompost or a cow dung. This is a perfect soil mixture for Aglaonema plant to grow properly. You can grow this plant at your home by propagation. First method is that by stem cutting, you can take a pair of scissors and you can cut it from the base, and remember that there should be a note in it, and then you can just plant it in another pot. And the second method is by root division. You can just take it out and you can just remove it and divide it into 2 parts and then put it in the other pot. By this method you can just propagate a new plant. Please keep in mind, this plant, it contains calcium oxalate crystal which are very toxic. If you have got pet in your home like the dog or the cat, so they are allergic to this plant. I hope that you will grow this plant in your home, and thank you for watching my video.